Introducing the Lawn Mower 3.0 Plus, a trimmer that turns shaving your groin into shaving your groin plus. Now with an updated skin-safe blade, a rubber grip, and waterproof design, the Lawn Mower 3.0 Plus has been improved to elevate your groin. Today we're going to give you some tips to get the job done. Tap the power button once to turn on and once to turn off. Adjustable combs give you the range of lengths for a more customizable trim. Then you're free to get creative with it. To attach a comb, slide it over the front of the trimmer into the grooves. Adjust the length by sliding the comb up and down the notches on the blade head. To replace a trimmer head completely, just pop the trimmer head off and snap your new one on. Once you start shaving, keep the flat side of the trimmer flush with your skin and maintain consistent pressure and speed for a smooth glide on your arms, chest, legs, and more sensitive areas. Press the power button to turn on the LED spotlight and explore the crannies and caverns of your body. Did we mention it's waterproof? So you can do it wet or dry and easily rinse off your trimmer after a shave. When you're all good, plug your trimmer into the USB-C cable to give yourself up to 60 minutes of runtime. Now you have all you need to navigate your nethers.